So you're thinking about booking a paint in the dark kids party? Excellent choice. My name is Annabelle and I'm one of the creative instructors here at Paint for Fun in Port Melbourne. You've just submitted your inquiry, so you are already one step closer to making this birthday party something that the kids will talk about all year long. So let me walk you through what is included in a Paint in the Dark kids party, how it all works, and what you need to know in order to lock it in. Before I dive in, a quick note on group size because it actually changes which option is going to be the best fit for you. If you have more than 12 people, then a private event is perfect for you. If you have a group size that is less than 12 people, we actually think that our Sunday public Paint in the Dark classes will be a better fit for you, and here is why. You pay per child, there's no minimum spend, and we will still seat you together on the same table, so the kids will still feel like it is a private celebration together. They get the same experience with the same UV lights, the neon paints, and the same magic. You can book for this online, and if you have more than 8 people in your group, you can get a discount with this code. Paint in the Dark is our signature neon art experience, and for kids, it is pure magic. We light up the studio with UV lights, hand out neon paints, and together we create glowing masterpieces. The kids can choose whatever theme they like. We have under the sea, safari animals, sunrise, sunset, and even fan favorites like Taylor Swift, K-pop, and Wicked. If they are 12 and up, we also offer a free-flowing event where they can paint whatever they want under the instructor's guidance. Now, let me show you where the magic happens. We have 3 studios here in the building in Port Melbourne, so whether you're celebrating with 10 kids or up to 45 kids, we can accommodate your group. Each studio has a fridge, catering tables, and we also have 2 bathroom facilities in the building, so whatever your guests need, we have here in the space. It is worth noting one of our studios is upstairs, so if you have a guest that has trouble with stairs, just let us know and we can make sure you are booked on a ground floor studio. If you selected the acrylic step-by-step for your kids' party, we can actually travel to you. For more information about the themes we offer, have a look in our detailed proposal. So here's what's included in a private Paint in the Dark kids party. You get 2 hours of exclusive studio access, 1.5 hours of which is a guided painting class. We provide all of the art materials. You can BYO food and drinks and birthday cake. We have working with children checks as instructors, so we do encourage parents to drop off their kids, leave and come back to pick them up at the end. If you did want to have parents staying, we can have a chat about whether we have the capacity to host them as well. We have a minimum booking cost for private parties. You can see the current pricing right here on your screen. Our team will include a personalised breakdown in your follow-up email based on your group size. Booking is simple. We ask for a 50% deposit to lock in the date, and then the remaining balance is due 3 days before the party. That's it. Our team will be in touch very soon with the date confirmation, the theme selector, and everything else you need. If you want to chat sooner, feel free to give us a call. We love to talk about parties. We cannot wait to make this such a special birthday celebration, and we can't wait to make it glow. See you in the studio.